Nalento to TikTok. Commissioner, I see more young police women ku TikTok. Bayadansa, benza zonke izinto lezi. Angazi afuna namaphoyisa ku TikTok. Angazi amaphoyisa afunani ku TikTok. Bayadansa, basho izinto omagama bazi advertiser. Hey bo. Hey nina. I haven't seen more of boys. I see girls. But whether TikTok about TikTok. It's not your job to TikTok. Your job is to arrest the criminals. Now, I've seen somebody TikTok othi akamfuni ucela for one reason. Ngizoyiphinda lento so that lo muntu angangifuni kakhulu. Ukuthi inkabi eSouth Africa sivele KZN. Makufa umuntu eGoli ukhona umuntu wase KZN obulela umuntu. Makufa umuntu eCape Town last week Mamzungu 3 boys were given life for killing a lawyer that was dropping his kids in the morning in Cape Town. 3 have been given life. Baphume show about 2. Basuka le show bayobulala umuntu le Cape Town. Abayazi le Cape Town baboshwa besafuna indlela. Babulala umuntu bakhomba phezulu. Ungabulala umuntu yokhomba phezulu ufuna itaxi. Ama-taxi ambona umuntu amthatha amsemaphoyiseni. So it's true when you look at the national picture. Most of people that move around killing people, they come from this province. Lo muntu ke othi ucela uyabheka yamzonda ngokusho njalo, ngicela ngiphinde angizonde kakhulu. Angisize futhi azonde nalento enzekayo for the criminals to move around and kill the people. As I'm saying, most mass shootings, they are happening in this province. Not only that, people, they move from this province to go and kill the people. So, I'm making a clarion call on you. You go out and protect the people of this province.